So ever since I cut the diffuser on my car, as you guys can see, literally cut the whole stock diffuser off of the car. I'm going to show you guys the problem I've been dealing with ever since I've done that. And today we are finally, hopefully, going to fix that problem. Besides the car moving backwards, you can't tell that I'm in reverse. If I'm in a parking spot wanting to back up, you can't even tell. So as you guys saw, I don't even have a reverse light. What is going on, everyone? I hope you are all having an amazing day so far. Today, hopefully we're going to be fixing this issue of not having a reverse light on my car. And this is exactly how we're going to fix it. A nice light bar. So if you guys haven't watched my previous video, I just installed a light bar onto the front of the car. I'll show you guys right here. It looks so sick. I think it fits very well. So that is a 22-inch light bar, I believe. Got that one off of Amazon for like $30. I have the whole video dedicated to installing that. Super easy, very cheap mod. That literally took me only like 30 minutes. So if you guys want to see that, be sure to check that out. So now we have a much smaller light bar. I got these together. I didn't want to get that big of a light bar for the rear because, I don't know, I just feel like having a big one in the back and in the front will look kind of weird. So went with a smaller one. Ideally, I want to mount it somewhere, maybe right here or like right there. We'll see when we get to the install. This is the same brand light bar by Motor. Got this one. It was cheaper than the other one. I think this was like 20 bucks or something. I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to check it out for yourself. I completely threw away the stock reverse light with the diffuser. What I should have done is kept the wiring. I can literally just crimp it to this light bar and then connect it with the connectors that is already on the wiring, but I threw it away. So we might have to do a little bit of extra work today, which is fine. I already took off this plastic piece a while ago, and this is where the reverse light wiring is. So as you guys can see, this is the connection right here for the reverse light. So it plugged into right here, it wired down, came out from under, and then it plugged into right here. So I don't have the second piece that wires out from the outside. So what I'm guessing I'm gonna have to do is pull these two wires out right here. I'm assuming both of them are for the reverse light, so we're gonna crimp those together if that's the right way. So I'm waiting for my friend to come by right now. We're gonna get this job done. Hopefully we can successfully wire up this light bar to my reverse light. And finally I'll be able to let people know that I want to reverse. So while we're waiting on my friend to come by, I'm still waiting on my tires to come in for my wheel. If you guys didn't see in the last video, I completely got a flat and I tried driving it home, and yeah, this is the outcome. I just totally ripped the sidewall off. So yeah, I'm still waiting on the 305 to come in. That's why I'm on my stock wheels right now, if you guys are wondering. It's expected to come tomorrow, which is Friday. Today when I'm filming this, it is Thursday. Waiting on that. I'm honestly tired of riding around on stocks. It's just so ugly. Like, look at this huge gap. And from right here, it looks like I don't even have wheels. What the? So yeah, here are the black and red wires that I'm assuming we're gonna just like directly connect to the light bar, because these have black and red wires too. I don't know, honestly, I'm not no like wire specialist, so that's why my friend is here. Why'd you park so far? Did you see me destroy my tire?
Holy sh**.
Crazy, huh? Dude, look at this sidewall.
I know.
It's like...
How'd this happen?
It's because I drove it when it was flat. Oh my. Look at all these connectors. You're gonna have to show me how to do this. So you just connect the red and black to this red and black?
Yeah.
You don't need like a fuse or anything?
That has a fuse already. As long as you have extra wire, we should be fine.
I know what you mean.
And then this connects to the red tower, and then that's it.
So yeah, what he said, we're just gonna use T-tap connectors. That'll just plug into this right here.
We have to run this wire all the way to the down there. So.
Oof. Now we're just like feeding both wires through to get the little wiring situation down.
Wendy's?
Okay, so this is what we're doing. So we're using T-taps on each of the wires, so the red and the black. This is pretty much like another way of just connecting wires. Both of the wires connected to the OEM harness right here. Then we're gonna wire it down into the light bar. Both of the wires right here. So we labeled this as the ground. We just put the tape on it so we don't mix it. Okay, so we have the wires connected just like as a little test. So This one right here is the ground, so it connects to the black one. This is, I'm assuming, the reverse one, which connects to the red wire. So we're gonna turn the car on right now and see if this actually works. Hopefully it does. If my car blows up, it's your fault.
You
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh, fuck!
Shit. It's freaking bright.
Hey.
Dude, that's freaking sick.
That's so easy.
Bro, that was so simple. So now we know that it works. Yeah, we're gonna go to like mounting this thing probably at the bottom right here. So the brackets that came with this light bar are pretty weird. It just didn't work out the way like we wanted it to sit. So we kind of made our own little holes to make it like sit straight. Because the way the brackets are designed, the light bar would have been like facing down like this, which isn't the way I wanted to sit at all. So the way we modified the brackets, it made the light bar sit like perfect like this. I don't know. Alright, so we mounted it all up and everything. Like I said, the brackets that came with the light bar is like, it's like really weird. I don't like how it was designed, so we kind of like made our own. I don't know, just like the way it sits, I'm not too sure if I like it. It doesn't look bad, but there's something weird about it that I don't like. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. Does it look kind of weird? Or do you think it looks fine the way it is right now? Probably just gonna leave it for now. If I don't end up liking it in the future, I'll probably just switch it around. So once it gets nighttime, it's still pretty bright out here. I'm gonna show you guys what the reverse light looks like at night, along with the front light bar.
6.5 hours later.
So I just finished editing today's video for you guys, and let me know what you guys think. I don't know, like I said, it kind of sits a little bit weird for me. Something about it just doesn't really sit right with me. Like, I'm not saying it looks bad or anything, like it looks pretty decent how it sits, but I don't know, just something about it. Do you guys like the way the reverse light sits, or do you guys think it should be mounted another way to make it look better? I'm curious to see what you guys think of the light bar. If I don't end up liking it, I can always just buy different brackets and like remount it in the future. So I guess I can call it a little sneak peek for the people that are watching up to this point in the video. I am getting a custom rear diffuser for the car made, so I'm hoping once that gets made, that can kind of fit like the light bar sticking out a little bit. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash that like button for me, and also don't forget to comment down below your honest opinions of what you guys think. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and head out. I'm actually filming another video for you guys today, so that'll be out in another few days. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.